This question relates to the case when two partners are simultaneously admitted. A, B and C are in partnership sharing profits and the losses in the ratio of 5:4:1 respectively. Two new partners D and E are admitted. Profits are to be shared in the ratio of 3:4:2:2:1. D is to pay rupees 30,000 for his share of goodwill, but E is unable to pay for goodwill. So E doesn't bring any goodwill in cash. Both the new partners introduced rupees 40,000 each as their capital past necessary journal entries. So here the first entry will be for the cash capital brought in. So here cash account should be debited. Cash account debit to D's capital account to E's capital account, and their capital is rupees 40,000 each. And here the share of premium is only brought in by D. So premium for goodwill account should be credited with the share of goodwill brought in by D, being capital brought in by D and E, and premium for goodwill brought in by D only. So this will be the first entry. And here the old ratio and new ratio is given. So we have to calculate first of all the sacrificing ratio, because the gaining partner, the new partner, will compensate the sacrificing partner. So here come to the working notes. There are 5 partners A, B, C, D and E. D and E are new partners. Old ratio is given 5:4:1 and new ratio is given 3:4:2:2:1. So we can calculate their sacrifice. Sacrifice is equal to old share minus new share. In case of A, B and C, their old share is 5/10, 4/10 and 1/10, and their new share is 3/12, 4/12 and 2/12. So in case of A, answer is 30/120. Being positive answer, A is sacrificing partner. In case of B, answer is positive 8/120. So he is also a sacrificing partner. And in case of C, answer is negative. So being negative, he is a gaining partner. C is a gaining partner. So he also have to compensate the sacrificing partners with his share of goodwill. It can be written in a way that 15/60, 4/60 and minus 4/60. So now in next journal entry, 3 partners will compensate because D and E are new partner. D and E, and C will also compensate the sacrificing partners because C is a gaining partner here. Here the share of D is given. Share of goodwill of D is 30,000. Share of goodwill, D's share, it is given 30,000, and D's share in profits is given 2/12. So total goodwill can be calculated by multiplying D's goodwill 30,000 with his reciprocal share, and it is 1,80,000. It is the total goodwill of the firm. Now the share of goodwill of E, because E doesn't bring any goodwill, so his goodwill can be calculated by multiplying total goodwill with his share in the profits, and his share is 1/12. So it is 15,000. Each share is 15,000 here, and we have to calculate C's share also. C's share of goodwill, because C is a gaining partner, he will also compensate A and B sacrificing partners. So his share of goodwill is total goodwill 1,80,000 multiplied with his gaining share, and his gaining share is -4/60. So it is 4/60, and it is 12,000 is C's share. So we can write C's capital account debit because they will compensate. C's capital account debit, E's capital account debit. E's capital account is debited here because he does not bring any cash, so he will compensate out of his capital account. Next, premium for goodwill account. And it is given 30,000. It is D's share of goodwill 30,000. C's share and D's share we have calculated here. C's share is 12,000, E's share is 15,000. So 12,000 and 15,000, and they will compensate to A and to B in their sacrificing ratio. A's capital account and B's capital account, and the total amount which they will compensate is, total of this is 57,000. So 50,000 should be divided between A and B in their sacrificing ratio. Here A's share and B's share can be calculated. by multiplying 57,000 with their sacrificing share, and their sacrificing share we have calculated is 15:4, and it can be written as 15/19 and 4/19. So here 15/19 and 4/19, and it is 45,000 and 12,000. A's share is 45,000 and B's share is 12,000. Being sacrificing partners, capital accounts credited with their share of goodwill in sacrificing ratio. It is 15:4.